In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable caller name announcer on the Samsung Galaxy A15. The first step is by opening the phone app on your device. Then select Keypad. With Keypad selected, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. In your call settings menu, tap on Answering and Ending Calls. And then here, you should see Read Caller Names Aloud. Tap on that. So the first option is to enable it. So just tap on the toggle to turn it on. Then you'll see two options appearing below. One labeled over Bluetooth and headphones only, and the other labeled always. So the over Bluetooth and headphones only means that if you selected it like that, caller name announcer will only work over Bluetooth and headphones. But if you choose always, then any scenario, caller name announcer will be activated. So it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.